In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the problem when your Messenger video call background isn't working. Let's dive into the details to get your loved ones or colleagues focusing on you, not your surroundings. First, let's ensure that your Messenger app is up to date. You wouldn't want to miss out on any of the latest features or bug fixes. Head over to your device's App Store, whether that's the App Store for iOS users or Google Play Store for Android users, and check for any available updates for the Messenger app. Installing the latest version could potentially resolve the issue without any further steps. If updates don't do the trick, the next step is to verify your device's compatibility with this feature. Unfortunately, not every device will support custom backgrounds during video calls in Messenger. Make sure that your phone or tablet isn't too old and is running on a relatively recent version of its operating system. Generally, devices with newer OS versions are more likely to support all the features of the app. Assuming your device is compatible, the next thing to consider is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection might interfere with the video calls, causing the background feature to malfunction. Check that your Wi-Fi or mobile data to ensure it's stable. Sometimes, simply disconnecting and reconnecting can make a difference. If you can, try to connect to a different network to see if that improves the situation. Now, let's delve into the app settings. Open Messenger and start a video call. Once you're in the call, look for the effects or background option. These are usually represented by a small smiley face or a palette icon, often found near the bottom of the screen during your call. If you see these options but they aren't working, try restarting the app. Close Messenger completely. This means swiping it away from your recent apps. Then, reopen it and head back into a video call to see if the issue is resolved. It's a good idea to check the app permissions on your device as well. In the settings of your phone, find Messenger and make sure it has permission to use your camera, microphone, and other necessary elements. Lack of these permissions might be what's hindering the feature from working properly. If you've tried all these steps and your background is still not working, try reinstalling the app as a last resort. Uninstall the app from your device, download it again from your App Store, and sign back in. This can often fix persistent problems by giving you a clean slate to work with. I hope these steps help you get that Messenger video call background working so you can bring more fun and professionalism to your calls. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.